You know, nothing says American muscle quite like a 5.0 Mustang. Now for 2015, the Mustang is all new and better than ever, but it still has that same iconic 5-liter Coyote motor under the hood. And we all know the 5-liter guys will never settle for stock. They're always looking for more power. And that's exactly what Airraid has delivered with the new MXP series cold air intake system for the 5.0. Let's check it out. Airraid's MXP system for the 5-liter Mustang consists of everything that you see here. Now it starts with a complete replacement roto-molded intake box. Now this pulls air from the factory cold air inlet duct, while the inside has been designed to optimize airflow all the way around the filter. Now it includes a built-in velocity stack, as well as this cool aluminum lid with plexiglass windows in it. This is so you can keep tabs on the filter. Now, the intake tube is also a direct replacement for the factory piece. Now, it has all the provisions for all the fittings and everything you're going to need, including the mass air sensor here. Now, it'll work with the factory tuning, but it is a little bit larger, so it'll support other aftermarket additions should you choose to add them down the road. And we have a couple of hoses and clamps, and then the heart of the system, of course, is the Airraid filter itself. Now, it's available several different ways. We have traditional oiled filter media in red, or Synthemax dry media in red, blue, or black, your choice. Now, it's an entirely bolt-on system. There is no drilling or trimming or anything like that required, and of course, no aftermarket tune. So, let's check out the highlights of the install now. Now you might notice that I've left this tube loose. Well, this is the resonator, and basically what it does is pipe sound from the engine to the passenger compartment. Now you can choose to keep it if you'd like, in which case you're going to need to replace this section of tubing with the supplied hose in the Airraid system. Or you can choose to delete it, in which case we supply a cap, simply pops right onto the intake tube. Now we're going to choose to delete it, but really it has no positive or negative impact on performance. Well, that's pretty much all there is to it for the installation. Now, just like with any of our other intake installations, the last thing you're going to want to do is double check your work. And there's quite a bit of hoses and fittings on this tube, so you want to make sure they're all secured, your mass air sensor's plugged in, and all of your clamps are tight. All we have to do is reconnect the battery, and then I can't wait to see how this thing sounds. I don't know what it is, but there is nothing quite like the sound of a 5-liter Mustang. Well, this thing had plenty of power before, and it has even more so now with the Airraid system. And the best thing of all is the intake is the only thing we've done to this car. The tune and the exhaust are stone stock. Well, thanks for checking out all the details on our 2015 Mustang, and we'll see you next time on Airraid TV.